Salmon Veggie Kebabs. Only two seasonings you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibs straight drop rub for the veggies and that King Creole blend for the salmon. Let's get it. First, grab a skinless fillet of salmon. Cut the fillet into little chunks, little salmon nuggets for your kebabs. Throw that cut up salmon into a bowl. Then you're gonna season it with that Uncle Dibs King Creole blend. Get it at uncledibs.com. Add some garlic, some fresh dill, some olive oil, some lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice. Now you're gonna massage those flavors into that salmon and let that marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. For the veggies, I'm using red and green bell pepper, some onions. I'm gonna take that straight drop all-purpose rub right all over those veggies. Then cover it with a nice olive oil bath, mix it on up. Now it's time to assemble the kebabs. I'm doing bell pepper, salmon, then onion, then salmon, and then bell pepper. Makes a nice colorful kebab for you. You can do this outside on the grill, but I'm indoors, using a nice grill pan. Get it nice and hot, oil it on up, then add your kebabs to that pan. Salmon cooks very quickly, so we're just gonna sear these on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're gonna throw these on the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. Finish it off. I hooked up some brown rice and quinoa to go along with this nice healthy dish. Add your kebabs and you're good to go. Look at that flavor right there. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Let's try it out. That's good, shawty.